What do you got?
Okay, so for my double duty is condiment bottles.
I have tons of these.
Yes, and you have extra ketchup after you use it. You have an empty bottle.
Or you make sauces,
mustard.
like you make your own special sauce,
Exactly.
AKA Russian dressing for your hamburgers or your Reubens. You can make squirrely, squiggly things with your sour cream every time you have Mexican food. These things are awesome, and I'm such an idiot that every time I go to like a dollar store or something and I see them in a bin, I buy 5 more and my husband yells at me.
Right, and they're great for cookie decorating and great for kids.
I just got what you were doing. Oh my God, I want to do this. Look.
That's exactly
it's for
it.
icing cookies.
Exactly.
Beautiful.
Duh.
And the best part is, depending on, you can add just a little bit of water. It starts out, it's just plain confectioner's sugar and water. So you can thin it out, leave it thick to make, you know,
limes,
icing on it. Right.
Or you can thin it out to make icing.
Right. And then while that's still wet, you can take others, and while it's still wet, you just add some extra in there to add.